the heavenly bodies that are twinkles are called stars. You know example of star? Our sun. Our sun is example of star. Okay? The heavenly bodies that are twinkle are called stars. For example, sun. All stars have their own light. Okay? The planets. Planets are completely opposite to stars. Means stars are twinkle, but planets do not twinkle. Planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle. Do not twinkle are called planets. Understood, students? Stars and planets. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. For example, sun. Stars have their own light. Now planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. For example, Earth. Earth is planet. Planets do not have their own light. Understood up to here? Students, stars are very far away from Earth, but sun and moon are comparatively close to Earth. Understood up to here? Now students, we have to learn our solar system. In our book, the solar system diagram is given, so observe this diagram. Okay. Students, observe this solar system's diagram. Look here, there are 9 members in this family. The names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, also our sun. Understood? Okay. Without sun, these 8 members are also called planets. All these are called solar system. How to remember these all planets? These all planets are remember using simple sentence. We learn after some time on whiteboard. First we have to take explanation of all planets. Okay. First one is Mercury. Students, look here, Mercury. Here Mercury is given around sun. Here is sun and Mercury is here. Okay. Listen about Mercury. All the planets keep moving around the sun whole day and whole night. Mercury takes 88 days to complete one round around the sun. Mercury is very closer to sun. Here is sun and here is Mercury. Mercury is very closer to sun. Therefore, its temperature is very high because temperature of sun is always high. Therefore, its temperature means Mercury's temperature is very high. The no air and water on its surface means on the Mercury's surface there is no air and water. Now our next planet is Venus. Here was Mercury and Venus is here. Venus is surrounded by clouds. Therefore, we call to Venus veiled planet because Venus covered by clouds. Venus reflects maximum sunlight. Therefore, Venus is brightest planet and Venus is closest to sun. Sun is here, Venus is here. म्हणजे means Venus is very close to Sun. Understood? Therefore, Venus is hottest among all planets. All the planets move anti-clockwise, but Venus moves clockwise in direction. It's called morning and evening star. Our next planet is Earth. Look here. Earth is also called blue planet or takes 365 days to complete one round around the Earth. Understood up to all? Okay. Our next planet is Mars. Where is Mars? Mars is here. Observe. Mars is called red planet. Look here, color is red. Mars is called red planet. Its size is half of the Earth. Means gravity of Mars. Mars gravity. How many? Gravity of Mars is half of the Earth. Understood, students, up to here? Okay. Now our next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is here. How to look Jupiter? Jupiter is big in size. Jupiter is biggest planet in all our solar system. Jupiter is very fast. It takes only 10 hours to rotate around the Sun. It's called vacuum cleaner of the solar system. Means who is the vacuum cleaner of solar system? Jupiter. Jupiter is vacuum cleaner of solar system. Gravity of surface of Jupiter is very high compared to Earth. Understood? Okay, now our next planet is Saturn. About Saturn. Saturn is beautiful planet. Rings of Saturn are visible from Earth. Means there are many rings around the Saturn and are visible from Earth. Saturn is second biggest planet in solar system. Saturn is full of gases. Understood? Okay, our next planet is Uranus. Like Saturn, Uranus also have rings. Uranus is very far away from Earth. Uranus is here and Earth is here. There is many distance. Means Uranus is far away from Earth. Therefore, Uranus is very cold. Now our last one planet is Neptune. Neptune is far away from Sun. Look, Sun is here and Neptune is here. This distance is very distance. Understood? Means Neptune is far away from Sun. Neptune takes 165 years to rotate around the Sun. Blue color of Neptune comes from methane gas. Neptune have strongest wind in solar system. Students, in solar systems diagram, you learn 8 planets. Okay? Then, students, how to remember these planets? Therefore, here one trick is given for remember planets. Look here this sentence. My very energetic mother just served us noodles. Means what is sentence? My very energetic mother just served us noodles. Take one alphabet. Means first alphabet of every word. My. Here means Mercury. Very. He means Venus. Energetic. He means Earth. Mother. Here means Mars. Just. J means Jupiter. Serve. S means Saturn. Us. U means Uranus. And last, noodles means Neptune. Very easy trick for remember 8 planets. My very energetic mother just served us noodles. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, students. All of you understood this 8 planets and our solar system? Okay. We meet again in our next lecture with next topic. Okay, thank you.